Here's a step-by-step guide on how to quickly remove extra paragraph breaks in Word if needed. Click on the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click on the Show and Hide button. This displays hidden formatting marks like spaces, tabs, and paragraph breaks. This will help you see where extra spaces and other formatting issues occur. These paragraph symbols between the lines indicate the space. Here you can see two paragraph symbols. I only want one paragraph symbol between the heading and the text. We are going to remove all the extra paragraph breaks in one go. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace window. In the Find What field, type caret, P. This represents two paragraph breaks. To obtain the caret symbol, press Shift plus the caret symbol and then space. In the Replace With field, type caret, P. This represents one paragraph break. Then click Replace All. Repeat this process until Word reports no replacements were made. This will eliminate extra blank lines caused by double paragraph breaks. Now we are done. All extra paragraph breaks have been removed quickly and easily, which you can see here, for example. There were two paragraph symbols here, now there is only one. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and please share if you found this helpful.